Okay, so this is the Cadillac CTS 2004. When it first arrived, it had the shifter stuck in park, which is a common problem with this vehicle, and the key would get stuck in the ignition, and you wouldn't be able to start it. If you'd even try to start it, it wouldn't make any sound at all, and it did nothing. And it has low coolant, which it had no coolant at all. When I first checked the coolant, it was dry, and what I did is I put coolant in, and then I tried starting it again. For whatever reason, after I put the coolant in, it would go to the AC position and it would actually let me change what gear it was in, but the light didn't illuminate, it was just off. So yeah, that was how it was, and I could put it in neutral and move it and put it in park, but the lights wouldn't go on, it would only go into the AC mode. And then I pulled the 15 amp fuse, shut up, yeah, everything needs changed. So I pulled the 15 amp fuse for the ECU, or the ECU, the computer that controls the whole car, and put it in, and then pull it out and put it in, and then after that it reset the computer, and now it actually does what it's supposed to and goes into every gear as it should. But the problem now is that this car was leaking fluid, and I thought it was the coolant, but it's clearly not, because this car grinds when you try to put it in gear and drive it. So, for example, I'll try doing that again. You can't really hear it unless the door's open. It just sounds like a metal plate being hit with a fork or something. It's the best way to describe it. And that'll happen in literally every gear. So yeah, that's where we're at right now, but at least I can turn it off and take the key out, which is something that I couldn't do before unless I would use a screwdriver and poke it under the release hole, which is right here. And yeah, that's where I'm stuck right now.